Ironically, baka hindi nyo po natatandaan ito, yung dating Pangulo, yung tatay ni Bongbong Marcos, si Ferdinand Marcos Sr., in the 1970s and 1980s, he developed a rocket program. Hindi pa nga po ito space program. It's just a rocket. Kailangan mag-develop muna ng rocket or missile bago ka makadevelop ng space launch capability. So Marcos tried to develop a space program, and they called it the rocket a missile launching project, and they called it the Santa Barbara project. And ironically, alam niyo kung anong pangalan ng unang rocket na dinevelop or tinry na i-develop ng Santa Barbara project? It is called the Bongbong rocket. Anong nangyari sa Bongbong rocket? Eventually, the government had to abandon it. Noong 1980s, isinara na itong Santa Barbara project because hindi makadevelop talaga ang Pilipinas ng effective na rocket because wala tayong technical capability, wala tayong mga scientists to do it for us, and the cost is too high. We don't have parts, mga salvage lang tayo ng mga parts from World War II remnants ng mga rockets. So the cost is just too high that it became more practical na bumili na lang tayo ng rockets mula sa ating mga karatig na bansa. Kagaya niyan, bumibili tayo ng yung BrahMos is from India. Tapos meron din tayo from the US na binibili from Israel kasi it's cheaper to do that. And instead of us developing ang sarili nating mga rockets or missiles. So this means kung missile nga hindi tayo makadevelop, missile is just supposed to fly within orbit, dito lang po sa within the atmosphere ng Pilipinas, and it will not go beyond space. Hindi pa nga natin ma-perfect wala nga tayong mga scientists or technical capability to do that. And then nangangarap tayo to develop a spaceport. Ang spaceport po, pag dinevelop mo yan, you're assuming na meron ka ng a technical capability to launch a rocket or a missile in space. Wala nga po tayo noon. So bakit ka magde-develop ng spaceport? So ito, ang nakikita natin dito, pag mag-develop ka ng spaceport, mag-allocate ka ng 17 billion pesos for something that you cannot use. So eventually, it will be another white elephant project. So, para kanino yan? Spaceport na yan? Tama yung tanong, ano ang pakinabang ng taong bayan dyan? Wala. This will be another segment of the Bongbong rocket. This time, ang mag-uumpisa nito ay si Bongbong na mismo. And just like the Bongbong rocket of the 1970s and the 1980s, this rocket and this space program is doomed from the very beginning. Hindi po talaga ito uubra at wala talaga tayong pangangailangan nor the capability to do this. And this will be just another science fiction na pangarap or pangako ng presidente, ng administrasyon na ito, designed not to develop the country, but I think designed to extract more money from the people. Pero tayong lahat